Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is the fourth video of React tutorial. In this video we will see basic of function component and we'll create the function component. Before start, I will recommend you to watch full series of this tutorial for better understanding if you are new to this video. To watch full series, click here. You can find link in description as well. Also follow us on Git, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for every update. You can find links in description. So let's get started. In last video we have seen difference between class component and function component, and we have created class component as well. If you have not seen that video, then I will recommend you to watch that first for better understanding. In this video we will create a function component. So add new file here, give name as a function component .jsx. Here we are adding files with the JSX extension. So what is a JSX extension and why we use? We will see that in next video. So stay tuned. So when you are going to create function component, first step you need to do is import React from React. After that function keyword is used, after that write function component and then open and close curly brace. In that function we need to add return function. In that return function we will write our logic. Logic means our HTML code. So div and right here I am a function component. Done. In function component also we need to export that component. So right here export default function component. Done. So let's use that in our app.js file. First of all we need to import that. So write import function component from dot slash components slash function component. Done. So here we can use that function component. Let's quickly run the application to check. Npm start. This is the command we are executing to run the application. Application is starting. On 3000 port, our application is running. This is the default port. We also discussed this in our last video. So here you can see our function component. We have written this in our function component. Both class component, function component we have created and used in app.js component. So let's come back into our VS Code. So let's see both in side by side. Here is function component, here is a class component. So here common thing is we are importing React. Whenever you're creating the any component, you need to import React. Without importing, you can't create component. Again, the second common thing is export default and your component name, because we are exporting that so that we can use that in our any other component. Here is our class component structure and here is our function component structure. Both having different syntax. Here in class component, we are creating class component with the help of class keyword. In function component, we are creating the function component with the help of function keyword. Again, we need to extend component into our class component. In function component, we are not need to extend that component into our function component. Again, here in class component, we need to add render method compulsory. In function component, there is no render method. After that, one return method is present in both component. Here we can say the both having the common part. Both required return method and into that return method we are writing our HTML. So these are the basic of class component and function component. We have seen this in our last video and this video as well. So I guess your class component and function component concept is clear. If you find something helpful and interesting in this video, then hit one like and subscribe to the channel. In next video, we will see the what is JSX and why we are required JSX. So stay tuned. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.